motherfucker. No, fuck you. You're making me play this.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna kill you after I die.
Alright. Everything's fuzzy. Oh my god, that's a beautiful tree. It's Christmas! Thomas, what did you get me for Christmas?
I got you a piece of
What's going on?
I got you a piece of American McDonald's!
Shut the fuck up, I'm scared.
You shut up, no!
Oh my god, you're a firefighter. And you're the ugliest man I've ever seen.
No, he's from McDonald's.
Alright, I'm done. Alright. That's Transformers.
I hate everything you're doing.
Don't you fucking look at me. Don't you fucking look at me.
I'm not going, no, I'm not going for
I'm not going anywhere. Fuck this shit, you later.
I'm not going anywhere.
I don't know what button. Oh my god, I turned my flashlight off.
I'm not going first.
Well, then how do I turn it back on?
I'm gonna kill you.
How do I turn it back on? Alright, I figured it out. I hit all the buttons at once.
No, I'm not, no. No, I'm not going first.
Oh my god, I'm slow. You know what, douchebag? There are places.
I can't
what are you
see.
doing? Oh, it's like a carnival with death.
Let's play Ring Around the Rosie.
I would rather you shut up.
No, I'd rather kill myself right now. God damn it.
These flashlights are horrible.
No. No.
I don't hear whispering. Can we run? Melvin, can we run? Ow. Oh, right or left here. Why are we following the whispering?
I don't hear anything. I want to take another bite of my pizza. I can't
Transformers, please. I have a weak heart.
I have a scared Xbox.
I think Transformers, we should have a vote. We should have a vote. We should have a vote. I vote Transformers. You know what? I'm fucking leaving. I don't think I want to do that. Fine, I'll go first. Alright, I'll go first. But if I turn around and you're not there, I swear to God.
I have my Xbox ready to turn on.
Everyone, there's boxes up ahead. Okay, we can't fit through that. I hear wind. Does wind count?
Yeah, wind's scary. Wind's gonna kill you.
Will I fall in this crack? No, I'm good.
I don't wanna die. Your flashlight?
Alvin, don't you fucking leave. I saw that.
Wait, does your... He's leaving us. He's gonna kill us. He's gonna murder us. You see? I wish one of us could be the monster. That'd be cool.
Alvin?
Oh god! Oh god, I see something! I gave myself a heart attack.
What is that green light?
I don't know! Oh god, what is it? Call 911!
What is it?
Call 911!
What is it? It's green!
Call 911!
It can't be all that bad!
Call 911! Call 911! I'm gonna call 911.
Alright, we're going in this corridor over here. We're gonna...
Wait for me!
I ran for 3 seconds and my guy's tired.
I don't hear anything.
It's like waiting for...
Oh wait,
creepy
I hear
songs to
whispers.
start.
Yeah, the whispers are really loud. I think I'm gonna turn off my Xbox and kill myself. Is that an option? Is that an option to kill myself?
I don't know what I'm looking for. I don't really care.
I wanna kill myself, it's green.
Shut up, Transformers. Oh, God, it's nothing. Just a dead body. Oh my God, will it come to life? Melvin, go touch it.
It's gonna go kill us. It's a dead body.
Oh, your shadow scared the shit out of me.
You. 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 I don't think we should be in their nest.
Is their nest to you? Also, it's kind of laggy. Oh, apparently now you're the fucking leader. Thought I was the leader. Hey, you
I'm
follow
gonna
my
turn
ass.
off my Xbox. I can't do it. I can't do it.
We're going this way. These cabinets are annoying. Is there only one page? How many are we finding of things? Don't you fucking speak like that. Oh, what was that? You shut up. Let's see. It says to go this way, and that is a weird foot.
You sure that's a foot?
Alright, so we're like fucking 10 minutes in. Yeah, we're like 10 minutes in here, and we haven't found anything, and I just want to kill myself.
Feels like an hour. Feels like an hour. I'm gonna die.
Shut up! There's. Oh my god! Don't you turn around. No, we're not going back in there. We're going straight across this corridor. We're probably where we started at.
That's smart.
They're on
I
sideways
really
now.
want to
Ooh,
eat my
look what I found.
pizza. Sparkly dust. Oh wait, no, that's snow.
That's what you don't eat anything. You just stand perfectly still. And... You should start it. I'm gonna push the wheel. I can't touch the wheel.
Guys, I think I see the green thing.
Okay, so I don't like this place. They're all sleeping. Don't fucking jinx us.
Wait for me, wait for me.
Hear what? Hear what?
Wait.
What do you hear? Oh god, I don't want to touch it.
I don't want to touch it.
Melvin?
I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it.
Transform
I'm not
first,
touching
touch it.
No, I'm not touching it.
Oh, thank you, Melvin. Thank you for touching it. It wasn't even English.
Does that mean I'm going to kill you all?
That's what it said. Oh fuck, why do we have to, let's go. Please, can
I wanna die.
Transformers!
I'm gonna die! Don't yell at me!
You shut up, you don't hear anything.
You shut up, I'm gonna die! You want me to die?
If I die, do I like watch you guys? What happens? I hear beeping.
I die.
I hear beeping.
Can I turn off my...
What?
What?
Alright.
Oh god, I
What's
hear
that beeping?
it. I hear it.
What a whisper
Hey,
speed.
Hey, if it
that
murders
good?
me...
Where am I? What is the static sound for? Are we close to a thing? Oh, yay. How do you know?
Run away! Run away! Run away and die.
Shh, just come in this room. Be quiet.
Okay,
Everyone
if
shut
I
the fuck
die,
up.
can
Shut
I
the
write
fuck
my
up.
will?
Everyone! I'm going into this jail cell.
I want to write my
I don't
will.
make it back. Alright, there's nothing in here. Get out of here.
I want to write my will to someone before I die.
Alright, well, you know what, Transformers? Thank you for everything. Now, shut up.
You get all my $50.
Yes, thank God I get all of your $50. I don't need it. I'm gonna die. Now, shh. I need to concentrate on my life. Wait. Well, don't you fucking talk like this. You shut the hell. My flashlight dies. Oh God, barrels, PewDiePie. He's warned me. He's prepared me for this day.
He's gonna kill me.
Oh God! Shut the fuck up! Melvin, there's a submarine. Oh my God, we can leave. Or can we? Melvin, it's on the submarine. Go get it. I have no idea. I'll protect you.
Jump on the submarine so we can leave.
Can't jump, or at least I don't think you can. Oh, here's the thing. I found a bridge, Melvin. I found a bridge.
We're gonna die.
I don't want to.
I don't want to. Oh God, I hear the whispers. I hear the super whispers.
Shut up. Shut.
That's the death. No, I don't want to be behind you guys. No, don't leave me here. I don't want to die. Keep up. Wait for me.
Oh God! You scared me. I
don't
didn't know
wanna
you were
die.
following me.
I'm going to die.
What bridge? What bridge? Bridge to our left?
Hey, if my flashlight dies, can I turn off my Xbox?
Can you shut up?
No, I
scaring
can't
me.
shut up. I have a disease. God. Oh, cool. That means I can leave.